Hey Emma, how have you been? It feels like ages since we've gone hand in hand on any projects at work. I know, right? Things have been crazy. I've been dealing with one crisis after another, and everything needing attention has been right at hand. Sounds hectic. Anything interesting or all just putting out fires? A bit of both. I got to handle a big launch, which was exciting, but then the sales started growing hand over fist, and we couldn't keep up. Wow, having the upper hand in sales is great though. Better than a slow business. True, speaking of which, do you remember those old marketing posters we used? I found some reused ideas from them that we can recycle for the new campaign. Really, that's fantastic. We've been living hand to mouth with our creative budget, so reusing some proven concepts could really help. Absolutely, but we need to ensure things don't get out of hand with the old school vibe. We want to stay modern. Agreed. Hey, could you lend a hand with the presentation next week? I think your experience would really make a difference. Of course, I'd love to help out. And speaking of presentations, how did your talk go last week? It went hands down, better than I expected. The audience even gave me a standing ovation. That's brilliant. You always were a great speaker. Thanks, Emma. It's always good catching up with you.